Hi, in this video I want to show you how I fixed my Metcal MX500P-11 soldering station. The issue was that when I turned the unit on, the LED, as you see in the front, started blinking when I applied the rocker switch, and that's it. Both ports on the front has the same issue. So let's get started, open it and see what's going on. To open a unit, there is 5 screws in the back. One in the center, I already removed it as you see, which is holding the heatsink inside, and another 4 screws, those are on the corners, holding the front cover. So those screws are star heads. I removed those screws. Also on the front you have to remove this plastic cover and loosen 2 nuts. Those are holding soldering iron connector, electric connector. So I use this plier to remove that, but you can also use a nut driver, something like that, to remove. So after removing those screws, be careful. There's also a washer. Don't drop those. After removing this, I also take out those washers that you see there, and then the front cover should come up. Now it's ready to open it. I use this plastic trim tool to separate front cover from the back, because it will prevent to damage and the corners of the cover. I bought this one from a Harvard trade. It's very helpful. So after this, now you see it's easy comes out. Now in order to debug this station, I also prepared like power cords to solder directly to the board. So after measuring the most power rails, because there is no schematic, I didn't find anything. So all the power rails that I'm assuming has proper powers. So but the last suspicion was that rocker switch on the top, and I removed that rocker switch and replaced that with the blade fuse, as you see there, and then when I apply power, turns it's working. So basically the rocker switch was the issue basically. So now because I don't have any rocker switch on my hand, I decided to open that rocker switch and repair it. So the contactors got burned, so I used my filer to file and make the surfaces flat again, and I did the same thing inside of the case, and then the remaining thing is just basically assembled. So as you see there, when I put the fuse, I'll show you how when I apply the power, I see reliable LEDs coming up. See it in top. But usually it blinks. So sorry, I forgot to record the video how it was broken. So anyway, so now it's a matter of everything assembled back. So I already filed both parts. I also will apply this paste, which will prevent oxidization, just in case. I bought this one from Home Depot, and then I will try to assemble the rocker switch back to it. So it's very simple basically. You need to just put that contactor back in its place, and then there's a spring which is holding the position. So and then you put the rocker switch back to there. After a few tries, I was able to basically put it back and make reliable connections. Okay, now the rocker switch is assembled, so everything now should be assembled back. The first thing you need to do is if you loosen completely the center screw, you just need to put that bar back and put the screw a little bit in order to not fly when you try to do assemble. And then when you put the board back, the first thing you have to do is affix the body's position and tie the center screw from the back. While assembling a unit, I just got an idea. Maybe if you have a similar issue with your soldering station, you may be you may be able to fix the issue without even opening it. I believe the rocker switch can be popped up without opening the whole unit. So if you are lucky to remove the rocker switch, you can fix that, and then I guess the hardest part will be to put it back without opening it, because the wires will be loosened. You need to just try to use tweezer to pull out those wires from the rocker switch hole and connect it back. Alright, now unit is ready to be tested. I just plug my first iron on the top port and make sure it's working. So as you see, the light LED comes up very lively, so it will take like 1 or 2 minutes to heat up the unit. The same thing I will try on the bottom port to see if everything works. There you go. That's it. I hope my video was helpful for you. If you like it, please subscribe and for more DIY projects. See you. Bye.